Explainium AI is a brand new AI tool that's making waves in the digital marketing space. And if you're here, you're probably wondering whether it's really as good as the buzz suggests. Stick around because in this review, I'm going to cover the 7 crucial things you need to know about Explainium AI to determine if it's right for you. I'll also tell you how you can try it completely free from the first link below, so be sure to check that out after this video. Now you might be asking, what makes Explainium AI so special? The first thing you need to know is its powerful content creation capabilities. It's designed to help digital marketers, content creators, and business owners generate high-quality content in a fraction of the time it would normally take. With its AI-driven language model, Explainium AI can produce everything from blog posts to ad copy in minutes. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the software adapts to your writing style, making it easier to produce personalized content that resonates with your audience. But it's not just about writing. One of the standout features of Explainium AI is its versatility. You can use it for anything from social media posts and email campaigns to product descriptions and video scripts. Imagine having an AI assistant that helps you brainstorm ideas, structure your content, and optimize it for maximum engagement, all with just a few clicks. And that's just the beginning. Another thing that really sets Explainium apart is its SEO optimization tools. It doesn't just create content, it helps ensure that content is optimized for search engines. This is a game changer for anyone trying to rank better in search results. Explainium AI comes with built-in keyword recommendations, meta descriptions, and even readability improvements, which are critical for improving your online visibility. What really impressed me during my testing was how intuitive the interface is. You don't need to be a tech expert to use Explainium AI effectively. Its clean, user-friendly dashboard makes it easy to get started, and you can start generating content in minutes. Plus, there are tons of customization options, so you can tweak the AI's output to suit your specific needs. This is ideal for businesses looking to streamline their content production process without sacrificing quality. Now, let's talk about pricing. Explainium AI offers a free trial, which means you can try it out without committing to anything. But even beyond the free trial, the pricing plans are flexible and cater to different types of users, whether you're a solopreneur, a small business, or a larger enterprise. It's one of the more affordable AI tools I've seen that doesn't cut corners on features. If you're worried about customer support, don't be. Explainium AI offers 24/7 support via live chat, and their team is quick to respond with solutions and recommendations. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, having responsive support is crucial, and Explainium doesn't disappoint. Finally, while Explainium AI is powerful, it's not perfect. There's a learning curve for new users, especially when it comes to getting the most out of its advanced features. But if you're willing to invest some time, you'll see a major improvement in your content creation process. And trust me, it's worth it. Now, before you go, let me remind you that if you're still unsure, you can try Explainium AI for free through the first link in the description below. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and after all that, I can confidently say that Explainium is among the best, especially for marketers looking to save time and boost productivity. I've also included my recommended AI tools for content creation in the description, so check them out and start optimizing your workflow today.